Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the airplane transition on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the second of the two slides you want to input the transition between, and then select the Transitions tab up at the top. Then you want to select the drop down where it says Transitions to this slide. Click that little downward arrow, and then you want to select where it says Airplane. Go ahead and select that. And you can adjust the effect options over here on the right by selecting if you want it to go from left to right or right to left. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.